Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all everything that I use to sublimate in my shop. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so one of the things that I use is my Epson 2720 printer. This is your regular standard EcoTank printer that I converted into a sublimation printer, which is super simple. All I did was I purchased it brand new, and instead of using the ink that it came with, I went ahead and purchased sublimation ink and poured them in, and boom, printer was converted. Alright, and here is where I went ahead and poured in the sublimation ink. So all you have to do is pop this open like this, boom, and then this is where the sublimation ink would go into. I actually have a full in-depth video of me filling this printer. I will go ahead and leave that link right here. So everything that I am using in this video, I will go ahead and leave in the description box below in case you want to check it out. And the inks that I use for my sublimation printer is this Cosmos ink brand. I definitely recommend these. I've had no issues with them and I've been using them for, I believe, going on 2 years already. So if we take it outside of the box, this is what it looks like. I love that it comes with a lot of ink. I never have to use a full bottle when pouring them into my printer, so I get to save them and this ink doesn't run out quickly. Here I am twisting off the top. So here we can see that I have already used this one. There is still half a bottle left. So I'm just going ahead and waiting until the next refill. I did purchase all of them separately, the cyan, the yellow, the magenta, and the black. Next, we will need some sublimation paper. I know there is tons and tons and tons of them out there. I've tried a few, but I always go back to A-Sub paper. This paper never disappoints whatsoever. I've gone through boxes and boxes and boxes of these already, and never have I had any issues with them. So I do have two sizes in these. I have 8.5 by 11, which is your standard letter size paper, and then I have the 8.5 by 14. So depending on what design I'm using, that depends on the paper that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and this is what the A-Sub paper looks like. All the A-Sub paper always comes with their A-Sub logo in the back. So this is what it looks like close up. This paper has never given me any issues whatsoever. I do highly recommend A-Sub paper to anyone out there who is starting sublimation or sublimating. If you don't have a sublimation printer, that's totally fine as well. You can head over to our website at www.chimpiesdesigns.com and purchase some over there. And then for sublimation, if you're going to sublimate t-shirts, you do need a poly blend or polyester t-shirts. These are some of the ones that we use in shop. So for me, the color of the t-shirt determines what design I'm going to be using. So if I were going to be using this red t-shirt, I would preferably put a dark black design on this t-shirt. That way it's very vibrant and it pops out. Same for this green one over here. I try to put bold dark designs on these t-shirts unless I'm going to bleach them. If I'm going to bleach these shirts and I can put any designs on them, I will be making a full video on how I go about bleaching my t-shirts, so definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for future videos. These shirts are 65% polyester and 35% cotton. These are Heather brand t-shirts. I find these to be the ones that bleach the best. Not all t-shirts bleach, so just be careful with that. Not all customers love the 100% polyester feel, so this is a poly blend of 50-50, which also sublimates really well. So I definitely recommend these Gildan shirts. They are awesome for sublimation and bleaching. So we're also going to need a heat press. This is the one that I have. I do have a full in detailed video on this heat press. I will go ahead and leave a card right here so that way you can check that video out. When it comes to your heat press, just make sure that the pressure is set correctly, the temperature is set correctly to whatever it is you're going to be pressing, because each sublimation paper is different. Each sublimation blank does press differently, so just make sure to read instructions. Alrighty, so here are some of the tools that I use when sublimating. So these are everything that I use when sublimating my designs. So here we have some heat transfer tape, butcher paper, some scissors, and a lint roller. I always use a lint roller on every shirt because there's nothing worse than a little piece getting left behind and then it turning blue and you just can't get that off of your t-shirt. So I definitely recommend lint rolling your t-shirts just as an extra precaution. I know not everybody does this, but I definitely do because I've had one too many t-shirts ruined from little pieces of lint getting left behind. And that is everything that I use to sublimate. Also, you're going to need your sublimation blank, so just depending on what you are sublimating. And here we have a sublimation puzzle. So here is one that is not sublimated. This is what it looks like. I like this one because it's glittery, so it gives it an extra little shine, which is really, really cool. And this is what it looks like once it's sublimated. You see how vibrant and bright? Do you see that glitter shine through? I definitely love these puzzles. They're super fun, super great gifts. I do have these on my website at chimpiesdesigns.com. If you would like to pick one up, you can customize it to any photo that you have. We also offer mouse pads, custom mouse pads. You can put any design, any image on these mouse pads. These are really nice, great gifts. You can put your picture of your family, a picture of your dog, cat. Anything can be sublimated onto this mouse pad. Here we have a fun ghost face Valentine's design that we had made for Valentine's. It was super cute. This one was super popular. You can see these pastel colors came out really nice. It sublimated really well. I definitely love these mouse pads. These are definitely a popular seller as well in the shop. We do sell coasters as well. So this is an up close of what it looks like. These sublimate really great. No problems with them whatsoever. This is what a blank one looks like. It does come with a protective sheet on top of it, so just make sure you peel that away before you heat press it. I don't know how many things I ruined from not removing the plastic covers from the sublimation blanks, but as you can see, it sublimates really well. These are very nice. We do also offer custom air fresheners. This is what they look like. This is one that is blank, and this is one that's already been sublimated. You see how bright and vibrant those colors are. These are really good sublimation blank air fresheners. I love these. These are super fun. You can add any photo you'd like on them. They are front and back, so you can choose 2 different photos to use. Here is a close-up. Look at those colors. They are beautiful. They are vibrant. They are bright. I love these air fresheners. We also offer custom phone cases. I'm actually working on a video right now on how I sublimate my phone cases, so definitely stay tuned for that. But look at these. These also sublimate really well. These are also glittery, which is super cool. I love the glitter effect. If you can see on your face, you're super shiny. So this is what they look like. You can add any image to these that you'd like. Our customers love our photo collages on the phone cases. These are very special gifts for Mother's Day, Father's Day, just because. You can personalize them any way you'd like. We do also offer custom keychains. So here's what they look like, the blank and a sublimated one. I am from San Antonio, Texas, so of course here we are representing our Spurs. But here is what it looks like. These keychains also come with the clear transfer paper on top of it, so just make sure that you peel that and you remove that before heat pressing it. But these sublimate really nice. The colors come out really vibrant. These keychains are double-sided, so you can go ahead and put 2 different images on these. We have our Spurs tongue logo on this one. Super cute. These also are available on our website. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email us. I will go ahead and leave all those linked in the description box below in case you have any questions whatsoever. And we also offer custom mugs. Here we have a cool little good guy one. The colors are very vibrant, very bright. These sublimate amazing. I don't have any issues with them whatsoever. I will go ahead and leave a link to this video of me using the mug press to sublimate these. Definitely recommend these sublimation mugs. No ghosting whatsoever. Here is a close-up of the design. If we can see here, the colors are very bright, very vibrant. These mugs are super duper awesome. They sublimate really well. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. Alrighty, and here we have kind of a little overview of everything that we offer in the shop to sublimate. We do have our website, www.chimpiesdesigns.com, in case you'd like to place your order. You can go ahead and email me if you have any questions whatsoever. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much. And should you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. We do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would definitely greatly appreciate the support over there. Don't forget to ring that notification bell and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one.